In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. For those of you wanting to add a personal touch to your web design, custom fonts can make all the difference in enhancing your site's aesthetic. Now let's dive into the steps required to achieve this. Start by opening your browser and navigating to your Wix website editor. Once you're there, locate and click on your site to bring up the edit options. This is your control center, where you can make all the necessary changes to your website's look and feel. Once you are in the editor, you'll notice various options on the left hand side of your screen. Your focus here will be on the Edit Text option. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on Edit Text, a new text box will pop up, allowing you to make changes to the text on your website. This handy tool is where you'll choose the font you want to alter. Click on the drop down menu that shows the current font being used. It's located at the top of the text box. This will show you a list of all the fonts currently available on your site. But to spice things up with a custom touch, find and tap the option labelled Upload Fonts. A new window will now appear, giving you the opportunity to browse your computer files. Pick the font file that you previously downloaded or prepared. It's important to make sure that this file is in a format compatible with Wix, like TTF or OTF formats. Browsing through your computer, select the desired font file you'd like to add. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the file. Once your font file is uploaded, you'll see it appear in the custom font section within your text editor. From here, apply it to any text on your website by selecting the text you'd like to change, then simply picking your newly uploaded font from the list. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded and applied a custom font to your Wix website. It's now time to preview your work. Go ahead and click on preview in the top right corner of your screen. This lets you see how your website looks with the new font before publishing it live. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to hit the publish button. This step ensures that all your hard work won't be lost and will be visible to everyone who visits your site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your website with the unique flair of a custom font. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to update or add new fonts. Remember, the font you choose can significantly impact how your content is perceived, so have fun experimenting with different styles to find what best suits your brand or business. Happy designing!